Good day to everyone. Today I'm going to compare Windows 10 with Windows 11, which is best and which has the future. Let me show that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. And this video will be wonders to compare with Windows 10 with Windows 11. What are the features are there? Microsoft has given this option, so I don't want to compare with another point. I want to compare with the Microsoft. What are the new features is given from the Windows 10 with Windows 11? What are the new look, new function, everything will be there in Windows 10 as well as the Windows 11. So first and foremost is auto HRD only available in Windows 10. So Windows 11 has that option so that you can get the auto HRD model, so you can able to get all kind of detailed clarity and color model will be available in Windows 11, but that feature is not available in Windows 10. And chat from Microsoft Team, from the Microsoft Team itself you can chat and get all kind of information. For example, if you want to chat directly from your things, means you can able to have access with the Windows 11, but it won't be available in Windows 10. And desktop group, so switch the desktop group, gather, organize, open window, so that you can organize the entire window into that, refocus on that, you can work it with your daily process. It doesn't have Windows 11. And direct storage, so get faster and load timer, more detailed game world. For example, if you want to play the game with a model, means you can get different kind of games with Windows 11, and Game Pass will be available. You can have access with entire games using Windows 11, but Windows 10 doesn't have the option. And direct storage will be available as well as the Microsoft Store. Both Windows operating system has the Microsoft Store. If you want to install the application, so you can install the application using Microsoft Store, work and play. So whatever application, apps, Android apps, if you want, means you can install from Microsoft Windows 10 as well as the 11, but 11 has the features. For example, if I'm using the Windows 11, so I have the features to directly install TikTok and all kind of Android application directly from my laptop or desktop. So that is a beautiful feature. It has both option will be available in the Microsoft Store as well as the Microsoft Team. For example, if you want to have call, chat and make plan, everything will be available in the both operating system. But the new emojis, for example, if you want to show your face, people, celebration emojis, if you want to, means it doesn't have that feature in Windows 10, but Windows 11 has that feature. And phone app will be available both operating system, but seamless redocking will be not available in Windows 10. What is that? And if you're continuing where you are left off, when you plug and unplug external monitor, it will be available. You can get and work, continue to your work from that option will be available only in Windows 11. Windows 10 doesn't have this option. And Snap Assist and touchscreen will be available both operating system. Updates will be available only Windows 11, and fast and easy to access for the operating system. Windows 10 doesn't have the update because Microsoft stopped their update. And widgets is the most important. There are both on lot of widgets will be available. Photos, news, docs, weather, every kind of widgets will be available. You can choose the widgets and you can have access with the Windows 11, but this features doesn't have Windows 10. And Windows ARM is always device and light designing options will be available both operating systems. So I have compared within a few seconds. I want to compare with the both with Microsoft, whatever they're officially given the option, what are the best features are there in the Windows 10 as well as the Windows 11. So most of the features doesn't have in Windows 10. As you see here, the tick mark is not available, but if you install Windows 11, means you may get a different kind of options to work and get a new operating system to get into the new world in 2022. So if you want to download easy and free, means just click the tab button and you will get how to install free Windows 11 in your laptop or desktop. Hope this video will help you. Which operating system you love, Windows 10 or Windows 11? Give your comments in the comment box. If you love this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.